We're replacing the catalytic inverter, which kind of doubles as a Y type on this one. The old one had a broken flange. It was like this, but that rusted right off.
Okay.
So this was down and we got a major exhaust leak. We're replacing the whole piece. And it looks like a pretty good quality part as well. So it should last. It serves two purposes. When you got the catalytic inverter, that's part of your emission control. And what that is for is to cut down the amount of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons that are being put into the atmosphere. But the whole purpose of the exhaust is twofold. One is to direct the hot exhaust gases out past the back of the vehicle. And secondly, with the muffler, it's to quiet it down.
Okay.
Because without a muffler, it's going to be pretty loud.